Hi, I'm Salma from Kalimna AI, and today I will show you how you can create automations on our platform. So everything around automations, which is not in the middle of a call, happens in the automations platform. Just click here. This is the dashboard. You can see all of your flows here. As we don't have any yet, let's create our first automation. Click New Flow here to start. To make things easier, let's just use one of our templates for now. Click Use a Template here. For this example, we will just take a simple web form your customers or users can fill out, which then leads to our agent calling them. Click Use Template here. As you can see, there is already a trigger, so something that starts the automation, and an action, which follows the trigger. In our case, it is being added to a campaign, so your agent calls the lead automatically. To customize it, just click on the trigger. As you can see here, the trigger here is the catch webhook. Just embed this webhook here into your application in order to trigger the Kalimna workflow. Below here, you can add your credentials so that only your application can access Kalimna with this webhook, just for safety reasons. Once you have configured your trigger, you can test it by clicking Test Trigger here. Now, just fill out the form you have connected to the webhook, and if everything was done right, it should receive a response with sample data you can then use in the next step. Okay. Now, once your trigger works, you can add actions which follow after. Now, let's configure the campaign step. Here, you can choose the action. Let's keep it at adding leads to a campaign for now. Here, you choose which campaign the leads should be added to. Choose this if you want to allow the same lead to be added to the campaign multiple times. Just keep this as it is. This just receives the phone number from your webhook. If you need additional parameters, just configure them here. Here, you can choose the number of secondary contacts you want to add. If you enable this, the workflow continues normally, even if this step fails, and just skips this step. For our use case, this doesn't make sense as this is the last step. If you enable this, the automation will automatically be retried up to 4 times if it failed. Now, you can also test this step here. This is it. Thank you for using Kalimna, and I wish you a great day.